What we have here is the example of using the internal microphone within the iPad device. If you listen very carefully, actually you don't even have to listen carefully, what you have is a hum. That hum could be from the lights, overhead lights, or it could be from the actual mechanism that runs the elevator. We're inside an elevator, or are we? Now this is an example of us using the external shotgun mic manufactured by Rode at 80 hertz. So now we are in the exterior, but we are using the internal microphone that comes with the iPad. What are the noises that we hear here as I stand outside frying like egg on the sidewalk? Car. Hum of a freeway. And now we are using the external shotgun mic, again manufactured by Rode, on a boomstick this time at 80 hertz. What do you hear? I don't really know what you hear. Seriously, I don't. Did you hear that car? I don't know. Now this is our final shot. Again, we're using the external shotgun mic manufactured by Rode at 80 hertz on a boomstick. But what's different than the last scene is that we've added the dead cat windsock. I don't know what you hear, but listen. I hear people talking. Do you hear them?